how to turn on or turn off apps that can use announce notifications on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on the settings icon, and in settings, swipe up to go down and tap on notifications. Next, in here, go down and tap on announce notifications. Make sure that you have turned on announce notifications at the top. Once it is switched on, you can go down here and select which apps can use the announce notifications feature. So for example, FaceTime. For FaceTime app, you can switch it on and allow it to use announce notifications. Now, instead I have Siri read out notifications from FaceTime, Siri will avoid interrupting you and will listen after reading notifications so you can respond or take actions without saying "Hi Siri." Now in here you can set the announce to time sensitive notifications only, or you can select all notifications. After that, you can tap on the back key. Now you can go ahead and continue to switch it on or off for any other apps as well. If you want to switch it off, just tap on that and then tap on the announce notifications switch to switch it off. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.